Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm in the house with the Black Mirror design zirconium wand. Look at this piece. It comes with this classic orange plastic case, and it's just pretty basic. This is just a rod, like a wand, call it as you want, which can be used to attach some spinners, like you just unscrew this part right over here, and it also has these two options. So you have a smaller thread and a larger one. So for example, I got this Pillbug running with this rod, which is from Lautier, and it's just not zirconium. They just make one with Zirc accent, and this is just gonna be gone. I'm going to try to install this fella right over here, which you can see already this guy is kind of pimped because there is this... look at this. So we just get rid of that. We don't use these two fellas. We're going to use this guy over here, which is going to go right over there. So just pop this in if you want to keep your... Look at that, X-Bone accessory. So you're gonna be pretty much in business with a full Zirc pimped with some tritium vials, and you get some titanium customized purple anodized screws for the inside. Look at that. It looks pretty good, and yeah, that's pretty simple, straightforward. You got this fella and you got this fella. So the Lautier one is a little bit longer, so honestly feels a little bit more comfy in the hand, but because this has an extra piece right there, which is missing on the Black Mirror design. So these are nice, you can just leave them on the desk like so. You can play with both. It's one is polished, one is blasted. So these are probably I would say this is my favorite spinner as of now, because I mean it's just so cool. Look at this image right over there. Gobigger Pillbug meets Black Mirror design rod, wand, call it as you want, in zirconium. So there you have it. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and as usual, stay tuned.